Check this out. Once again, we have a lovely Mercedes Sprinter 516 CDI on a 2021 70 registration with only 41,000 miles on. It's the ex-Kazoo transporter vehicle. Now you can buy it for whatever reason. Might be because you want to transport cars around, maybe because you have a furniture business, but you've got lots of lockable space in there. You've got the ramps. Obviously, you've also got on this one extra aided ramps, which if you are loading something a bit lower on there, will help you even further. With 5.5 tons capacity on it, it's absolutely fantastic. Now this one's got 41,000 miles on, in a very, very good condition. You can't get much better. Now today with the live pricing, this Sprinter is only 25,990 plus VAT. For me, that's brilliant value for money. It's a business on wheels, just ready to go. It might be because you've got a new business or an additional to your fleet already. Now you've seen the back, you've also got the side doors here, you've got the little hatches here as well on both sides. But if you look at the overall condition, it really is in a brilliant condition. I've seen a couple where they've been caught at the top and they've been scraped down the side. They look a bit tired. This one, absolutely not. Now if you come inside here, 41,000 miles, that's all this Sprinter has. You've also got the tachogram graph up there. So if you're going to use it for transport, you're going to need that, and that's already in place. The leather interior, all the adjustments for the seat, air conditioning. You've also got the full multi-functional steering wheel on this one with cruise control, Bluetooth settings. It's got literally everything. You're sat nice and high up, automatic gearbox, electric windows and mirrors. Lots of cubbyhole space everywhere. I just can't believe 25,990 plus VAT. We have sold a few already. A few months ago, I think one of the first ones was maybe 9 months ago. It was nearly £40,000. So this one with 41,000 miles on the 516 CDI, on a 70 registration, a 2021 70 registration, is fabulous. Now the only little damage I have seen on this car, and it's tiny, you can see where it's been caught a little bit when you're opening and closing that door, but that's small scuffs you'd naturally expect. Before you go that way, have a look at the passenger seat. It is beautiful. Got fully fitted carpets in there as well. Brilliant condition, and like I said, it's one that can be used for the business. It is VAT qualifying, so you claim the VAT back no problem, and it's got full service history as well, so it's been very well looked after. And inside here, if you look, it's perfect. If you come all the way in here, because little things, it's all been decked out correctly, so you have the mirror there so you can see what's behind you when you're reversing out, etc. And then you have these soft pads here, so if you do pull the car or whatever it's going to be travelling with all the way up to this point, and it's got a soft cushion area, it's ideal. Bit more of a storage compartment on top of your driver's zone. It's absolutely fantastic. This is going live now, 25,990 plus VAT, Mercedes Sprinter, 41,000 miles on a 2021 70 registration. What more can you ask for? Thanks for watching. Bye bye.